I've had tons of mistakes happen. I've made major mistakes. I have talked to people the wrong way. I have treated people poorly out of emotion, and it directly impacts my mindset. I have had medical issues. I was recently diagnosed with Guillain-Barré syndrome. It essentially took my ability to walk, to pick up my kid, to do really anything functionally for myself. I could barely feed myself because my motor skills were so badly affected. Once it was diagnosed and we got a treatment, things started coming back aggressively. I went in a 5-day period from not being able to walk to being in a walker to walking without any assistance. But for that 7-8 day period where those things were gone, it really affected my mindset, my diet, and my ability to do any of the things that I had built as consistent habits in my life. And it's been a struggle to get those habits back because you almost have PTSD on what you're capable of and not capable of. I'm still a little timid about whether or not I can run or jump or do anything athletic. I'm still a little timid about squatting with weight, getting in the gym and doing anything aggressive. It might take some time for me to get back to normal and get my mindset back to 100%.